How to enable or disable lock instantly with side key on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. After that, we then go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on secure lock settings. Then enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. Next, we tap on lock instantly with side key. Tap on the toggle to turn on or switch off. And when we turn it on, if we press on the sub button here, it will instantly lock the screen. Otherwise, we can switch it off so that when you press on the side button, it will turn off the screen, but it will not lock straight away. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.